Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best products to help you make smarter shopping choices. Today, we're diving into what is undoubtedly one of the best AirTag holders for dogs, the SANKALA AirTag Dog Collar Holder. If you're looking for a reliable and waterproof solution to keep track of your furry friend, stay tuned as we explore why this product might be the perfect choice for both you and your pet. This AirTag holder is designed with pets in mind, especially for dogs and cats. Its secure, full-body silicone cover ensures your AirTag stays firmly in place while your pet is out and about. Whether they're running through the yard, playing in the rain, or even taking a swim, this holder keeps the AirTag safe and dry. Thanks to its 360-degree coverage, water is no longer a concern. You can trust that your AirTag won't get damaged or lose signal, even when your dog decides to take a dip. Speaking of the design, the holder is made from high-quality, soft silicone, which is not only durable but also comfortable for your pet. The stretchy material makes it easy to slip onto most dog collars without any hassle. It fits collars with a width between 0.8 to 1.3 inches, which means it's compatible with a wide variety of collar sizes. No more worrying about finding the right fit. One of the standout features of this product is its versatility. It's not just for pets. While it's perfect for tracking your dog, it can also be used on kids' backpacks, luggage, or even elderly devices, making it a practical solution for all your tracking needs. The best part? You won't have to worry about constantly checking the AirTag itself. With this holder, your pet's tracking device is always securely in place, giving you peace of mind. The SANKALA AirTag Dog Collar Holder is a fantastic investment for anyone who wants to ensure they never lose track of their beloved pet again. If you're a dog parent or cat owner who's often worried about your pet wandering off or getting lost, this product offers a simple, effective solution. So, if you're looking for an affordable, waterproof, and reliable AirTag holder for your pet, the SANKALA AirTag Dog Collar Holder is an excellent choice. It's easy to use, comfortable for your pet, and durable enough to handle all kinds of outdoor adventures. Be sure to check it out and make your next outing with your furry friend worry-free. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more product reviews.